Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to get this Fortnite app on your Nintendo Switch. So I'm just going to download this. That is a free app that you can download. So just go to your Nintendo eShop here. Press this A button on your controllers. Choose your profile. And so going to click the search button. And here I'm going to enter this Fortnite. It's already there. Searching that. So I have Fortnite. I got this. Just click this free download and going to free download now. So just choose free download. So you can check the download status on the home menu. So I'm just closing this. So it's getting download.